Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Shine of Education in Light of Bible channel in YouTube. How are you? I think and I hope you're all fine by God's grace. Okay, already AP 10th class or SSC exams are going on very well. I think you're performing your exams better. Okay, good evening to all of you. At this moment, before you to take biology class with giving some important, very short answer type questions which will come in your exam. These very short answer type questions are important for your exam. So practice these questions, study well, prepare well, and perform your exam best. Okay, let's go to this section without any delay. I made some notes of some important questions. I will give you in some parts. Okay, let's go to your first question. I will turn this camera at my notebook. Okay, so look at that notebook with concentration and interest. Okay, AP 10th class biology, important, very short answer type questions. Your first question is, why Glyceridia plantation is done on the field buns? Okay, the answer is um, on field buns we generally see Glyceridia plantation. Okay, farmers will grow Glyceridia plants on field buns, but why? Actually, Glyceridia plant is fast growing shrub. Shrub, it appears in group of plantlets like a bunch of flowers. And when comparing with tree, it will be short. That is shrub. Okay, it is fast growing shrub. It grows very fastly. Okay. Um, the reason of Glyceridia plantation done on field buns is actually some reasons are there. It produces green manure, which is rich in nitrogen. Uh, you have already known that plants will need nitrogen to grow well. for better nutrients. Plant will need nutrients in the form of nitrogen-like minerals to grow well. And Glyceridia plant reduces soil erosion and conserve soil. Okay, it means um, thoroughly growing of plants or crops in any field, soil or land fertility will be reduced. And some valuable important nutrients are decreased or disappeared on that land. So that land will become useless for further growth of crops. So that is called soil erosion. Soil became useless. It is not fertile there. So Glyceridia plants will reduce soil erosion and conserve soil. And Glyceridia plant is a natural fertilizer. If we use chemical fertilizers to grow plants or crops, um, it can be harmful to human. It can pollute air. But if you use natural fertilizers, it can't be harmful for human and to the world. So, as Glyceridia plant is a natural fertilizer, Glyceridia plants will be grown by farmers on field buns. These are reasons for why Glyceridia plantation is done on the field buns. Okay, it's enough for this question. Next, going to second question. Write examples for renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay. Then what are renewable resources? They are continuously produced. It means they are unlimited. Okay. They are unlimited. Um, it produces limitless. They are continuously regenerated if we utilize them continuously. If we utilize them more and more, even though they are regenerated again and again. So they are unlimited. These are called renewable resources. Actually, natural resources are renewable resources. Natural resources are renewable resources. Okay. The examples of renewable resources are sunlight, air, water. So, sunlight, air, water are renewable resources. These are produced continuously for lifelong. These will not be disappeared completely. Okay. If we make attempts to produce them again. Next, non-renewable resources. What are non-renewable resources? These are limited to certain amount after we utilize them continuously. So we have to face problem If we utilize it then continuously, non-renewable resources will be decreased. These are not unlimited. So these are available to us in limit only. So we must be careful um, to use these non-renewable resources for our daily activities. The examples of non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, oil. So coal, petroleum, natural gas, oil are called non-renewable resources. So when we utilize it, consumed these non-renewable resources thoroughly at one time, uh, these non-renewable resources will be decreased. We will have to face shortage of non-renewable resources at one time. Okay, coal, petroleum, natural gas, oil will be disappeared after some time. Okay, next going to another question, that is third question. Write slogans to stop child marriages. Write slogans to stop child marriages. Slogan. Okay. It is looking like delivering some moral story to the society with giving public awareness to destroy some evil things in the society. So they are called slogans. Some rules, some principles to stop some evil, harmful, dangerous things in society, to stop the growth and development of people in society. Okay, write slogans to stop child marriages. I will give you some slogans related to uh, stop child marriages here. You can try some more slogans to stop child marriages with your own talent. Girl child is like a bud, so don't stop its flowering. Girl child is like a bud, don't stop its flowering. Another slogan is girl child is like a bud, let it grow into a flower. Girl child is like a bud, let it grow into a flower. So you can write like this also. Next, another slogan is educate the girl child, light up the world. Educate the girl child, light up the world. So these are slogans related to stop child marriages. Uh, you have to write very short answer type questions related to development of society. To increase public awareness um, in your public exams, questions will come related to uh, this type of necessity for development of society. So show your interest more on this kind of questions for your exam. Okay, then you can perform your exam best. Okay, they are naturally related. Biology is always related to nature. It's like our application of life. Okay, and some burning issues or problems in society. So think well and perform well. Next, going to another question, that is fourth question. Natural resources have been decreasing more rapidly. Guess what will be the consequences? It means natural resources are decreasing day by day. Then what will be the bad impact on society and on us when natural resources are decreased? Okay. Um, we will face shortage of food, water, air. So we have shortage of food, water, air. Okay. Next, soil fertility is reduced. Then soil erosion, sorry, erosion is not completed here. Erose. So this word is not correct. Soil erosion. As I explained earlier in another question before. Okay. Soil erosion. Erosion. Soil erosion will be occurred with reducing soil fertility. It means some important nutrients um, will need to grow crops well will be decreased. Okay, that soil has no nutrients for growth of crops, for producing crops. Next, soil, air, water pollution will be occurred. Pollution of soil, air, and water is there. CO2 level mm, increasing leads to global warming. So CO2 level will be increased. It can lead to global warming. So it is very, 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 very warm that we can't bear it. Ah, it is very hard to think. Next, biodiversity loss will be occurred. Biodiversity loss will be occurred. Biodiversity means various types of um, plant organisms, animal organisms, microorganisms. Okay, they all together can be called as biodiversity. Various kinds of different organisms like plants, animals, microorganisms that can be called as biodiversity. So biodiversity will be reduced. Sparrows are reduced. Do you know that? Uh, due to radiation of cell phone. Okay. Next, going to another question, that is sixth question. Which vitamin is responsible for clotting of blood? Which vitamin is responsible for clotting of blood? Answer is vitamin K. It is fat soluble vitamin. We have 5 fat soluble vitamins. They are soluble in fat. A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K. Sorry, 4 fat soluble vitamins. A, D, E, K. So it is one of the fat soluble vitamins. Its chemical name is phylloquinone. Its chemical name is phylloquinone. And factor, we should mention this point there actually, but I have written here. It is called blood clotting factor. Okay, what are the harmful effects if we have deficiency of vitamin K? We have uncontrolled bleeding of blood when we injured. Okay, when we injured, uh, blood bleeding will not be controlled, and it can badly impact our bone health also. Next, what are the sources that we can find vitamin K? Green leafy vegetables like spinach. We can find vitamin K more in green leafy vegetables like spinach, other vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower. And we can find that also in fish, liver, meat, eggs. Okay. Next, going to another question, that is sixth question. Um, Flow chart of respiratory pathway. Respiratory pathway will be started from nostrils and end with bronchi. First one is nostrils, then goes to nasal cavity, then goes to pharynx, then goes to larynx, then goes to trachea, then goes to bronchi. After that, oxygen will be going to alveoli lungs. That is conducting part. That is called conducting part. It is called respiratory pattern. Okay. It is also called respiratory pathway flow chart. Okay. Or flow chart. Nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi. It means oxygen will goes to nostrils. From that, it goes to nasal cavity. From that, it goes to pharynx. From pharynx, it goes to larynx. From larynx, it goes to trachea. From trachea, it goes to bronchi. Okay. This is all about some very important, very short answer type questions for AP 10th class biology exam. Students, please practice these questions well and increase your strength with practicing more and more. Okay, prepare well. All the best for the exam. Um, okay, I will produce some more parts of some important questions. Please wait for that. Um, Today, I will give you some more important questions related to your biology exam. Okay, this is about just part one only. Okay. Um, Hi students, are you in live chat? If you are in live chat, you can say hi to me or good evening, madam. Nobody is there. Are you listening? Are you following? These are very, very important questions for your 10th class biology exam. Okay. Don't be silent. Don't fear about your exam. If you practice well, uh, some important concepts of biology, you can write very easily. Okay? Yes. Please leave your examination fear. Okay, all is well. Don't worry. Okay. Please like, follow, share, subscribe, and make others subscribe. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and make others subscribe. This is B.Vijaya Vahini M.Sc B.Ed, AP Set qualified in Life Sciences, Vocational Courses Faculty, online, um, East Point Colony, Chinnavalter, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India. Thank you all for watching and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned for some more important videos like this. For some more important videos like this, please subscribe, share, moreover like. This can be uh, encouragement, support for me. It will be helpful to you also. Okay, signing out. Bye.